Dear students, I am Devender, your maths sir. In this video, I will explain class 9th maths.
See exercise 3 first question, visualize 2.874 on the number line using successive magnification. See, first you can check the given number is terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal. 2.874. So it is clearly shows it is a terminating decimal. Yes or no? Yes. Now, first of all, you can write the number line. You can draw a number line. You can represent from -5 to +5, at least minimum based on your given number. So that I am writing here, see, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can see here 2.87. Just you can think here 2 points, how much it is? 2.874. Just clearly, if your close observation, see 2.87 is greater than 2 or not? Yes or no? 2.874 is greater than 2, but it is smaller than, that means here less than 3 or not? Yes or no? That means just you can observe here 2.874 is lies between 2 and 3 or not?
2.874 is lies between
2 and 3. So that you can have to divide this 2 and 3 into 10 equal parts. We have to divide this into how many equal parts? 10 equal parts. So that I taken here number line. I am writing here. This is here. I am writing here. This is 2 means 2.0. Here 3 means 3.0. After that you can write here 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. Here next one will be 2.4. Here 2.5, 2.6. Here 2.7, 2.8, here 2.9. After that you will get how much? 3.0. Yes or no? Now you can see which is the number here, 2.874. Just you can observe here 2.874. Now you can look here 2.87, 2.87. 2.87 which is lies between 2.8 and 2.9. Yes or no? 2 which is lies between 2.8. That means here 2.874 is greater than 2.8 and also less than 2.9. Yes or no? Which is less than 2.9. That means you have to divide 2.8 and 2.9 into 10 equal parts. We have to divide 2.8 and 2.9 into 10 equal parts. So that I am drawing one more number lines here. I am taking here 2.8 and 2.9 into 10 equal parts. So that I am taking here, which is the first one here, 2.8. You can write here 2.8. We can use pencil or scale if you want. Here you can draw here. With using scale only you can draw. Next here it is 2.8. Now see here, first one here 2.8. Here how much it is? Here 2.9. I am dividing 2.8 and 2.9 portion. That means this portion you can draw here 2.9 and 2.8 portion into how many equal parts? 10 equal parts. That means here which can be written as 2.81, which is a 2.82, 2.83, here 2.84, here 2.85, 2.86, 2.87, 2.88, here 2.89. After that you will get how much? 2.90. Yes or no? Yes. So that once you can see what is your given numbers here, 2.874. Once you can observe here 2.874 which is lies between 2.81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. See here 2.87. See here 2.874. That means here 2.874 which is lies between 2.87 and 2.88 or not? Yes. So that you can once again you can divide this portion. You can divide this portion of 2.87 and 2.88 into 10 equal parts. So that I am writing here 2 here. 87 is less than or less than 2.874 is less than 2.88. So that I am dividing, see here 2.87 and 2.88 into 10 equal parts. See here 2.87 and 2.88 is divided into 10 equal parts. So that I am taking here 2.87 here I am taking 2.88. Before writing I will write here 2.87 means next number will become here 2.871. Here how much? 2.872. Here 2.873. Here how much it will become? 2.874. Here how much you can write here? 2.875. In the similar way you can write here 2.876. Here you can write here 2.877. Here you can write here 2.878. Here you can write here 2.879. It will become how much here? 2.88 only. Is it okay? I hope you may understand this one. Now you can see here 2.874. Where is the 2.874? It is 87, 871, 2, 3, 4. That means once you can see here 2.874. This is the successive representation of our rational number. That means here decimal number. So here first you can see here 2.874 which is less between 2 and 3. So that you can divide 2 and 3 into 10 equal parts. So that I am taking here 2 and here 3. 2.1 in this way you can see here 2.8 and 2.9 lies between here how much? 2.874. 2.874 is less between 2.8 and 2.9. So that I am taking 2.8 and 2.9 into 10 equal parts. After that once you can see 2.874 which is lies between 2.87 and 2.88. So that I am once again I am dividing into 10 equal parts. Here 2.87, here 2.88 into 10 equal parts. Once you can see clearly, it clearly shows here how much? 2.874, which is our answer. See how many steps required here. See, this is the first step, second step, third step, 4 steps. Just 4 steps are needed to represent successive magnification.
Thank you for watching this video.